Great. Actually, see, everyone used to say, if you do yoga, you will get this benefit. I just want to show you what is the benefit you will get, whether it is physically or mentally. That's the role model standing in front of you. Actually, I want to say a few words about my daughter. She is world's youngest yoga teacher for the blind, certified by cbse at the age of 9 years. I just want you all to check this. Few persons, please check this, whether you can see anything through this blindfold.
No.
Show some action or numbers, anything you can do to her. Correct. Warm up, yoga, mudras, and inculcate everything from your childhood so that you can also achieve. If she is going to do something great in life, you people also have the same neurons, right? So you can also achieve like her. So try to do yoga today and be healthy and happy. Thank you one and all.